Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. So recently over on the other channel, I was playing with these new gloss sprays. I got them off of Amazon. They are Dina Wakley inspired or created. She teamed up with Ranger. There's actually a huge collection, but I got the smaller collection called the Brights because I wanted some bright spring-like colors. Plus I didn't want to spend as much money as the entire collection cost. So a while back we did a tumbler where I took some printable vinyl, I dropped alcohol inks all over it, and then I used the printable vinyl on my Cricut to cut out shapes from that and put those on a tumbler, and that was kind of cool. These sprays, when I played with them on different paper surfaces over on the other channel, made me start thinking about how could I best use these on a tumbler. And that reminded me of this thing I did before where I put alcohol inks on printable vinyl and then put those on the tumbler. I've also done that with Brusho crystals. This is a good way to get things that don't necessarily want to stay put on a cylindrical surface like a tumbler. Spray them on flat vinyl first, let it dry, and then apply them to the tumbler. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm doing one of my experiments because these are brand new and they're kind of fun. So the colors I have are lime, magenta, which honestly that does not look like magenta, it looks like pink, but that's what they called it, magenta. Ocean, lemon, turquoise, and fuchsia. I'm just gonna shake these up, take the tops off, and then start spraying. And we're gonna see what we get and what we can do with it. Alrighty. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to let everything dry and then we'll come back and assess where we are.
We're breaking in here to bring you this special announcement from Luxinda's Magic Hands. Did you know that you can get actual, authentic Luxinda merch? Well, it's true, you can. And what's so special about these items, you may ask? For starters, the t-shirts are made with a special blend of cotton and unicorn tears, so they're extra soft and magical. These designs are all based on Luxinda's personal philosophy, that the key to happiness is to eat pizza, pet dogs, and wear comfortable clothing. And where can you find these and so many other amazing merch items? On the merch shelf below each Luxinda video, or use the merch link in the description area. For an extremely limited time, we have a special Luxinda's merch shipping option just for you. Whatever you order from Luxinda's merch store will be carefully wrapped, launched in a US spy drone, and then the Russian military will knock it out of the sky over your exact location. Fuel dumping costs are extra. Oh, and one more thing. There's a special Luxinda channel membership available now, with great perks for the members that no one else gets. Look for the join button or the join link in the description. Of course, there's never any obligation and you can cancel at any time. Now back to our video.
Okay, we're back. So these two pages have dried. As you might be able to tell here, they dried kind of stuck together because some of the ink pooled on the edges and I left them that way to dry, and so they stuck together, and this is what happened when I pulled them apart. Not a problem. They both turned out very pretty. And what I've done is I've decided for now to put this one aside and to work with this one. And the reason it is on a Cricut cutting mat is because I had my Cricut cut shapes out of it. And that's what we are going to put on a tumbler today. Because some of this dried very thickly on here where it pooled, I didn't really know what cutting pressure to set my Cricut for. So I did printable vinyl with the default switch to more. So some of it got cut all the way through and others didn't, depending on what it was trying to cut. That's fine. We can work with the ones that are cut all the way through. This is not a problem. I just wanted to make sure that they would cut. All right, so we have these set out and the backing is still on all of them and that's fine. This time I was gonna go with butterflies and sunflowers, but when I got the sunflowers cut out, this is a very small one, it ends up looking sort of like a cotton ball or a hedgehog rolled up or something. It didn't look like a sunflower anymore. I switched to other flower shapes and then I went with butterflies and 2 stars, look at that, and some hearts, just to give me a variety. And then I thought, you know, rather than putting this on a white cup, white's kind of dull, what would go instead that would still allow these to stand out? This is Rust-Oleum's French Lilac color. And I'm going to place these on here. And, you know, that's really basically what we're doing. Peel it like a sticker, which is basically what these are. Peel these. I was going to do a light blue cup, thinking, you know, blue skies for the butterflies flying around, but and I also thought about pink. I opted for the purple. Yay! That is beautiful. Very simple to do. I am going to go with a spray sealer on this one. I think it'll be fine. I mean, these should be completely set up because they're dried acrylics. Nothing should run, nothing should fade. So I will spray seal this with some Rust-Oleum clear spray, matte, gloss, whatever I have on hand. I don't think it matters. And then I'll bring you back for the resin part. We'll put a layer of resin over it. I absolutely will put into that resin some 504 glitter. Then we will take it out in the sunshine. Now we have the other cup, and I'm considering saving this for a different video. I think I will probably do a full wrap with it and then something else. So if you have any suggestions for how you want to see me use this other sheet, let me know in the comments below, because I think that'll be fun. We can try something completely different that I haven't thought of, you know, based on your guys' suggestions. So put your thinking caps on and let me know what you want me to do with this. See you back here when it's time for some resin.